Hello, this video will show you how to create a Google site directly from Google Sites rather than through some of the other venues that I will show you in separate videos. First of all, it is essential that you know that you may only work in Google Sites from Google Chrome as your browser. You cannot use Internet Explorer or Firefox. It has to be in Google Chrome. It also cannot be done on a device such as your iPhone or an Android or even an iPad. It has to be done from a PC or a Chromebook. So that's the first step you need to know. So if you open up a new tab in Google Chrome, it will take you to Google, or just go directly to google.com. And if you see up in the top right hand corner, there's the little icon of the squares. It's hard to see with this background, but you hover over it, it says Google Apps, and you click on that. You can see all of the different apps that you can use, and I'm going to go to Google Sites. If you don't see it up here, click on More and you'll be able to find it there. So I'm going to click on Google Sites, and that will take me to this home page. Do not click Create right here, but rather click New Google Sites. For some reason it opens to a new page, and this is how you see it. I can't explain Google, but this is just what it is. So click where it says New Google Sites, and it's going to take you to a page. Click on Owned by Me if you need to. And you should have, if this is your first Google site, nothing. If you've created a Google site in a different English class, or if you've just created one before, they will show up here. So you can see all my different versions of this, including the sample that you will have access to as well. So if you want to create your very first site, or a new one if you just wanted to start from scratch, click down here in the bottom right hand corner under Create New Site. I'm going to click that plus button, and it will take me here to the basic template. So the first thing that you need to do is title your page. So I'm going to title mine with my first and last name, '(S), writing portfolio. Then I'm going to highlight that whole thing, right click, copy, and then up here at the top where it says enter site name, I'm going to click there, right click, paste, and if you click up here under Untitled Site, it should automatically change it. Also, I just noticed that I misspelled it, so I'm going to go through and fix that. Important to pay attention to the red squiggly lines, students. So here we have Katie Gay's writing portfolio, and it's copied in here in triplicate, so you should see that 3 times. If you don't, you need to go back. If this still says Untitled Site, your teacher will never be able to find it. So once that's done, then if you go over to the right hand side, you can see where it says Insert, Pages, and Themes. If you click on Themes, there's all these different options that you can click on and change the color, change the style, whatever you want to do or whatever your teacher has said. Also, if you wanted a different background, if you didn't like this picture of the world, then you can click on Change Image, upload your own, or select image. There's a gallery, you can pick all different ones. I'll just select that, and there you go. So now you have a personalized background image. You also, if you would like, could choose to add your own picture. So if you hover over up here in the top left where it says your name's writing portfolio, and you have a button for add logo, you can click on that, upload, and you can go and select your picture of yourself, make sure it's appropriate, or just a little icon that you want, but that's not necessary, so I'm not going to do that. But there you go, there you have your very basic page. I'll go through and show you how to create individual pages in the next video.